winter weather advisory is in effect for our area. Currently, the temperature is 32 degrees under cloudy skies. Our local Doppler radar. Today, periods of snow, cold, high 33, winds east-northeast at 5 to 10 miles per hour, about 1 inch of snow expected. Here's our 7-day outlook.
So I'm standing outside in front of my house in Anderson, South Carolina, and though you can barely see it, yes, it is snowing out. Something I thought I would never see, but it is snowing. And it's snowing very, very lightly, but we're expected to get more and it's supposed to fall harder. So of course when that happens, I will most definitely be out here videotaping. And it's actually pretty cold out here. But like I said, it is snowing. Like I said, you can barely see it, but trust me, it's snowing. And like I said, I'll come out here maybe every hour and record. As you saw, I recorded the Weather Channel, and I'm going to do that every hour. So, but it's pretty windy too. You can, if you can hear the wind on the camera, then it's a lot worse because I got the wind resistance on, but like I said, it is snowing. I'm trying to catch snow in my hand, but I think what it is, I think it's still too warm for the snow to stick to the ground, so it's melting before it hits the ground, but when I was coming out here, I saw it. But anyways, so this is video 1 of many of it snowing in Anderson, South Carolina. No, I doubt there's going to be enough to build a snowman. One of my friends sent me a message on Facebook saying we're sending the snow down your way so you can build a snowman. I don't think we're going to get that much. But we're supposed to get an inch. But we'll see. Anyways, till later.